Sorry, those are the chemicals that do it, not the cell.
Neurons?
Neuron is correct. Let's see. Which portion of the brain is responsible for your heartbeat?
The medulla oblongata.
Medulla oblongata is correct. Let's see. The cell cycle is divided between mitosis or cell division. What do you call the rest of it?
I don't understand the question.
Interphase.
Oh, okay.
All right. Let's see. Name the thin film covered with photoreceptors that is found at the back of the eyeball that the image is projected onto.
The cord layer?
No.
The retina.
Retina is correct. Let's see. Name the longest bone in the body. Femur is correct. Let's see. Name the only sesamoid bone in the body.
The patella?
Patella is correct. What do you call the armpit region?
Axillary?
Axillary is correct. What up?
What is
Sesamoid means shaped like a sesame seed,
Oh,
which it is.
Yes.
Let's see. What molecule serves as the energy currency of the body and is often used when you need to move one small thing? Say, for example, a carrier protein.
ATP?
ATP is correct. Let's see. Name the only vein in the body that carries oxygenated blood.
Arteries?
Mm-mm. Time, the pulmonary vein. Let's see. Where are nutrients absorbed into the blood?
Small intestine.
Small intestine is correct. Let's see. What do you call the tooth sockets?
Gomphoses.
Gomphoses is correct. Let's see. Bone and adipose tissues are both subclassifications of this major tissue type, one of the four.
Dense connective tissue?
Sorry, I can't take that.
Is it just connective tissue?
Yeah, just connective tissue. Let's see. What do you call the monomer of a protein? The little things that are linked together in order to make proteins. I'm sorry, no.
Amino acid.
Amino acids is correct. Let's see. What is the most common protein in your body? Collagen. What's the protein that makes up your hair and fingernails?
Keratin.
Keratin is correct. Name the primary pigment of human skin.
Melanin.
Melanin is correct. Let's see. What do you call the outer portion of an organ? Part toward the outside. You have this in the kidney, you have this in the brain. Sorry, no. Anyone? You have this in hair. Cortex. Let's see. What kind of acid is in the stomach? Oh, easy there. Jeez.
Lactic?
No. I don't think we've actually gotten to this yet. I was
We
just seeing if
did.
it... Did we?
Yeah, briefly, but I can't for the life of me
Hydrochloric.
remember. There we go.
Let's see. What do you call the functional unit of bone? They look like tree rings.
Osteon.
Osteon is correct.
Yeah, partner.
Let's see. This word means striped, and it can refer to skeletal muscle.
Striated?
Striated is correct. Let's see. Name the largest chamber of the heart.
The left ventricle.
Left ventricle is correct. What is an alternate name for the bicuspid valve?
Semi-lunar? No,
Mm-mm.
it's, no,
So it's not semilunar.
I remember.
No, because of the aortic is also sometimes called the semilunar valve also. Mitral.
Yeah.
Mitral valve. What do you call it when something is supposed to be in one place, but it has been displaced and often turned inside out?
Prolapse?
Prolapse is correct. What do you call a mitral valve prolapse? Common name.
Imagination?
Nope. It's called a heart murmur.
Oh.
Um,
Wait, I thought that was when blood came back in.
yeah, it is
Exactly.
because the valve is
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
out of place. Name the university where the first heart surgery was performed.
Oh, Johns Hopkins.
I'll take that, John. Johns Hopkins.
Yep.
It's easy to
Johns
mess up
Hopscotch.
because of the S at the
Yes, that
beginning.
S
It
should
throws
not be there.
everything off.
Johns Hopkins?
There you go, you got it.
Johns Hopscotch. I like that. Let's see. What do you call the lines where the bones of the skull fuse together?
Sutures?
Sutures is correct. Which suture is this?
Corona.
Coronal is correct. What does coronal? What does corona mean?
Crown.
Crown. don't say beer.
Oh, all right, Nico.
I was
All
like, here
right.
it comes. There we go. Let's see. The portion, not portion.
All right.
Oh, I'm so tired. The purpose of this digestive organ, you can see how that happened,
Yep, he got there eventually.
is to reabsorb water from food that has already been digested.
The large intestine.
The large intestine is correct. Let's see. What is the functional unit of a kidney?
Nephron.
Nephron is correct. What do you call that part of the nephron that dips all the way down into the medulla and then comes back up? Loop of Henle is correct. Or Henle's loop is also fine. Let's see. What is the purpose of the corpus callosum?
To let you know when you have to pee.
No. No. Not cool.
He's like, had to rethink that.
I was like, oh.
Do me up one.
Oh.
It's the bridge that connects the two hemispheres of the brain.
Oh, what was
He
I
said he was
thinking?
pushing the button.
Not even
Corpus
close.
callosum, body
Did you actually push the
connecting.
button, or were you just sort of twitching?
I was pressing the button. and
But
then-
not far enough.
We're
Push
just
the
gonna
button.
count that as twitching.
Okay.
I
we're-
did a buzzer check. I
Damn it,
did.
kill that thing.
All right. Actually, I think I'm fresh out. Sorry.
You have a surgical knife.
You can check in the third drawer down, but I think
Do you know how to fix this? My zipper kind of came off.
kind of busy right now. I can look at it later, maybe.
Sorry, man.
In the meantime, all right. This occurs when calcium is present in your muscles, but not ATP. And
Rigor mortis.
rigor mortis is correct.
You
I
finished
said,
the question?
and you're dead.
Oh, and you did. Okay.
What if it happens while you're still alive because of damage?
It's called a cramp.
Yeah, it's called a cramp.
That's 2 points, Chelsea.
Oh.
What? Gordon's not here, and she started it.
You know what? You still got a ways to go, honey.
All right.
She's trying.
You just got
me.
honeyed.
She's trying me. I'm telling you.
You started it.
Either way,
I'm
she's
finishing
trying
it,
me.
so
All right. Let's.
bring it.
Nice.
Bring it.
It is already brought in. Name the plane that divides the body into left and right.
Oh, I pushed it prematurely.
Lateral.
Mm-mm. Sagittal. Sagittal.
Oh, I knew it.
Oh, whatever. I just whispered it to him. I knew it was one of the two.
Let's see. Regional terms again. Cheeks.
Buccal.
Buccal.
Oh, I don't like you.
Cephalic.
Head.
Head.
What part of the head?
The
The
entire head.
I was double-checking.
Let's see. Word meaning. Hyaline.
Glass.
Yeah, glass or glass-like. Let's see. Lamina.
Layer. Thin layer.
Thin layer. There we go.
Yeah.
Uh,
you boys, okay?
You know
she
how
is
long
not.
I've been studying? Since 2 weeks ago.
I
The-
guess I should have that kind of.
All right. Organ names. Lungs.
Pulmonary.
Pulmonary.
Yeah, you
Kidneys.
got me.
Renal.
Renal. Glands that are attached to the kidneys but aren't technically part of the kidney.
Adrenal?
Adrenal.
Yeah!
I'm
What?
gonna kill this thing.
You got one!
What?
Alright.
Oh my God, he's gotten a lot.
She is.
Hey,
trying
whoa,
to-
whoa, whoa, no.
No, is that not a thing? Because of-
Yeah. Not with the buzzer, thank you. No, use Michael's cell phone. Oh, man.
Now I'm just gonna sit there and look at
Would have paid $100.
You guys have $100?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Radio
I come-
Shack.
I come live with you?
All right. How many organ systems are there?
11.
11 is correct.
You don't remember?
No.
Ooh. Maybe you should have studied 2 weeks ago.
You mean just like you?
I have to study.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm going to give you a set of organs that are all in one system. I want you to tell me which system. By the way, there's going to be 4 organs, so don't jump the gun. Pancreas, kidney, pituitary, thymus.
Endocrine.
Endocrine is correct. Let's see. What do you call the chemicals that the endocrine system uses to control the body?
Hormones.
Hormones is correct. Lack of this neurotransmitter can cause Parkinson's disease.
Nerves?
I'm sorry?
Nerves?
Nope.
No. It's,
Dopamine.
yeah.
Oh, doesn't that make
I
you
can't remember
happy?
if it was that one or serotonin.
Melatonin regulates what? It's a neurotransmitter also, but what does it regulate?
Sleep.
Sleep is correct. Let's see.
Press the button next time.
What
I knew what that is. I take it
Um,
at night so I can actually
what
sleep.
what term means without air?
Jordan's Marks.
Asphyxiation.
Mm-mm.
So like,
Well,
like, yeah, but
New. Like pneumonia or
yeah. Unfortunately, like it's the right apnea.
apnea?
there it is.
Apnea.
Oh, like sleep apnea.
Yes. Let's see. Name the skeletal muscle that is the primary motivator in respiration.
Is it diaphragm?
Diaphragm. Diaphragm is skeletal muscle.
Yeah, buddy.
When you dissect it, I mean, you'll see it. I mean, the striations are really obvious.
Are we gonna have to dissect it along across the lines? You know how surgeons have to know the lines of the body so they don't leave scars.
No, I mean, we're not going to have enough time to be exact on that. This is going to be a kind of slash and burn, style
Only
dissection.
Nico was here. That's totally his style.
Except the problem is that I would look over and his cat would have been like diced up into like cubes as if you were going to make soup with it.
Not until we were done. I wouldn't
Anybody
have let
want
him do
some
that until we
sushi?
were done. Oh.
I'm making sushi.
Oh,
Oh.
You guys miss Nico?
I do. I do. Like a good professional victim is hard to find.
Wow. Ah,
Let's.
Try Schoonover. He's a pretty good victor.
he is.
Schoonover just takes it.
He does. Yeah.
Until he finally goes crazy.
Then it's pretty.
All right, let's see. Going back to bones again. Name the only bone in the body that is not attached to any other bone. Hyoid bone. Name the little strip of skin under your tongue that holds the tongue down.
It's like a quiz right after we just learned it, something super specific.
By the way, you're not far away from that. Frenulum.
Frenulum?
Frenulum.
It is.
Let's see. Let's go back to the senses again. Scientific name for the eardrum.
Tympanic membrane.
Tympanic membrane is correct.
We should have
We should do
Kelsey.
cell stuff.
Sure, let's do some cell stuff.
Sweet.
Let's see. Within the cell, what are the two different kinds of ribosomes?
Fixed ribosomes and free.
Correct. Also would have accepted rather than fixed, it would have accepted bound. They call them that sometimes. Bound or fixed ribosomes are typically found on what structure?
Rough ER.
Yep. Spell endoplasmic reticulum.
ENDOPLASTIC.
No.
ENDOPLASMICRITICULUM.
Yes. Yeah, you went with endoplastic instead of plasmic.
Reticulum spelled with an I?
Yeah. Yeah, reticulum. That's the way I've always seen it. I don't know if it's one of those alternate spelling ones, but
I've seen it both ways.
anyway, the arm region, brachial. Let's see. This is a word beginning with the letter P that means a coming together. It can refer to a coming together of nerves or coming together of any group of structures. There was one located at the base of each hair where the nerves interact with the hair root, called the root hair blank. I'm sorry? No.
Perplex?
Closer. Plexus.
Plexus. Oh.
Yeah.
Plexus. Let's see. Going back to the brain. The dura mater, pia mater, and arachnoid membrane are the three layers of this. The membrane that surrounds the brain and spinal cord and contains cerebrospinal fluid. It's the first thing you had to take off the brain when you dissected it.
Is it the meninges?
Meninges is correct. Let's see. In which system runs parallel to the cardiovascular system?
Lymphatic.
Lymphatic is correct. Which lymphatic organ is often removed due to swelling from diseases such as mono?
Nodes.
Mm-mm.
Well,
They can remove nodes, but
yeah, they're.
Tonsils?
Yeah.
spleen, actually. Spleen often gets removed because of mono.
Sure.
Let's see. Shared passageway for food, liquid, and air. No. Pharynx. Let's see. What do you call the little flap that covers the opening to the larynx? Epiglottis is correct. Let's see. The rings that reinforce the trachea and bronchi are made of what?
Cartilage.
Cartilage is correct. Epithelial cells have three major shapes. Which one is the flat shape?
Squamous.
Squamous. Okay, there's a horrible way to remember this one. The flat shape. Think of a squashed mouse. Squamous.
Why?
Flat.
Tom and Jerry.
You can go that way too.
Sure. Let's see. Where would I look to find a Haversian canal? Nope.
Osteon?
In an osteon, or you could have just said bone. Not
Wait.
Venice. What up?
Did you already take the oxidations out of this?
Yeah.
First time?
Yes, that stuff's already graded.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Because we were just talking to each other in Schoonover's class and they need some help and I was going to grab my paper.
Yeah, go ahead. It's in there. It's in the outbox.
Oh, okay.
That's how this works.
You got this next one, Parker.
All right.
Get your hand ready. You got this next one. Show Chelsea how to do
What do you call any blood vessel that is flowing away from the heart?
Artery.
Artery. What would be the thickest layer in an artery?
Tunica media.
Tunica media is correct. Tunica media is made up primarily of what?
Smooth muscle.
Smooth muscle. Name the smooth muscle that pulls the hair upright.
Director pili.
Erector pili is correct. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go for something really obscure. This is a mode of glandular secretion in which the cells produce the product until they're completely filled with it and they explode.
Repeat the question.
Crystals.
No, it's
Time. Holocrine. Holocrine secretion. Name for their shape. These are unicellular mucus glands.
Globular.
Ooh, no, sorry.
goblet cells.
Goblet cells. Globular, not gobular.
Say globular.
Globular proteins,
Where are
contain
those
tryptophan
found?
because they're in turkey. No. Globular proteins can also be referred to as what kind of proteins? Alternate name.
Harry Potter.
Structural.
No.
Fibrous.
No.
You're
the
joking.
same
You
thing.
went for 3 out of 4. Functional.
There you go.
So you got 3 out of the 4 connected things. You like danced all the way around the correct answer.
Darn straight.
Let's see. Name the country that the dance the tango originated in.
Argentina.
Argentina, that's correct.
What? Can I go to a probate? No.
Okay, fine. Really
Not from
obscure. Name the Argentinian movie star who popularized the tango.
George Lopez.
Buh.
Come on.
Rudolph Valentino.
Yeah, that was pretty obscure.
Ian might have known that.
What was his third son middle name?
Yeah.
Hush, that's the next question.
See, the fact that apparently this guy was so attractive that some teenagers still even know who he is, even though it would have been their great-great-grandmothers who originally found him.
Dang.
She's beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Kelsey's like, he's a gorgeous.
Oh, Kelsey.
He's probably not so gorgeous now.
Yeah.
He's been decomposing for a few decades.
That's sexy.
Have you lost weight? Wow.
All right. I'd move you down, but I think you're good.
All right, let's see. Going with the senses. Meissner's and Pacinian are the 2 major kinds of these, which are basically little...
Corpuscle.
Corpuscle is correct.
A what?
Fine. Appositional growth occurs when a bone increases in what?
Width.
Width, I'll take that. Diameter, which is fine. Let's see. Beginning with the letter D, this means relaxation in terms of the heart.
Diastole.
Diastole is correct.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, I pay attention.
I don't.
All right, we're gonna stop there. Boy.
Who
So,
won, Michelle? Me or Chelsea?
huh?
Who won, me or Chelsea?
It's
Wait.
probably Chelsea, but it was pretty close.
For
I don't know. I wasn't
answer?
actually keeping track.
Shoot, I thought
I will tally it. I will tally it
Oh
according to
my
Quizable
gosh.
rules, and I will let you
my
know
gosh.
tomorrow.
Fine, I'll be waiting.
I missed the first.
Oh, why
two,
did?
though.
Oh, why did you record it?
Yes.
Oh my God.
You're going down, Chelsea.
All right.